If you're a crazy woman, shake your head. I guess they're not crazy. Oh yeah, there they are. There's those crazy women. Riley. I like the slobber. Oh, it's not as fun. Yes, it's not as fun as no. I'd really like the slobber. I wish I signaled zone in. Get the drool dangling down. Oh, were you doing that with food in your mouth? Bad idea. Silly, silly girls. If you're a silly girl, raise your hand. Oh, there's Riley. Oh, there's Blakely. Silly girls. Ah.